Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with the TM surprise Tuesday morning haul. And I just want to show you the items that I got. First, this is non-crafty, but I picked up this Sharper Image sound machine projecting alarm clock. I'm taking it back. I wasn't impressed with it. First of all, it's battery operated, but that's okay. But the thing is, the batteries, it just like didn't even stay on all night. You know, I was disappointed. I had a hard time getting the cycle through all 6 of the different nature sounds. I only got to go through like 3. Traffic, rain, and the beach, I think. But it's supposed to be 6 sounds. And then it doesn't stay on. And then the alarm didn't work. So that was $11.95. And the number was 201-5251. So I'm taking that back. My grandson didn't want to take it back. But I bought it for him. I said, no, I'm taking it back. It didn't work. Before I get into the dies, I did pick up the Holtz Tonic travel stamp platform protective sleeve. I picked up 2, one for me and one for my giveaway. It was $3.99, 204-6610. Now I got me one because I wanted to I had the Hampton Arts. Excuse me. I'm sorry, I still have this cold. It fits in here. So like when I go to my crop, I thought this was really nice to take. It's tight, but it fits. And just to protect it when I take it to a crop. So that's why I got that for me. But I got the other one along with the actual stamp press as part of my giveaway for my birthday. I haven't decided yet. I know what I want to do, but the problem is when to do it. My birthday is the end of November. So going into December, so I'm like, do I start at the beginning of this month and run into the middle of December, or start at the end of November and run it through January? I don't know, because the holidays and people get busy and stuff. So that's what I'm trying to, that's why I never did a birthday one, but I want to do one this year. So anyway, they had this for $12.99. This is a travel stamp platform by Tim Holtz. Kendra of 504 Pretty Things, she had posted on her page, and hers didn't have the green sticker in October. And I got mine in October too. But hers didn't have the green sticker. Hers just had the regular price $12.99. Mine had the green, which meant it was going to be part of November, because it got 11 up there, 18 sale, and they put it out early. Hers was put out early, but they didn't have the green on it. So, but anyway, so if you don't have it, don't be discouraged. It should be in your stores for the November sale and their ad. So some stores, you know, jump the gun. I've had my stores done that plenty of time. Without the green or with the green. So it just, you know, they sort of just trying to get the stuff on the floor. Sometimes they miss stuff, but so I just say that to say you probably have one soon. But I did pick it up in case somebody did want one. I must say I have personally the larger one, and I am not as impressed with it, to be honest, as I thought I would be, because I do like Tim Holtz. But so this is a larger one, and this is a smaller one, and this is a 6 by 5 by 6 by 5. So it's the size of this one, basically. I'm sorry, my voice. I'm not. All the other ones, whether this is the Misty, this Hampton Arts one, the other one that's out, the Remember Keeping one, they all have a platform, have this foam. The foam makes a difference, and for the price of the larger one, I was disappointed because 1, you needed more magnets instead of just 2, because of the bigger space footprint to hold a picture, to hold your paper down. 2 magnets doesn't cut it on a large one, and then it doesn't stamp. It really didn't stamp at all. So I had to put a foam down, then it stamped. But without foam, I just felt like for the money, it should have came with the foam, and it should have came with some extra magnets. But it works if you do all those adaptations to it. But just for the price, I guess I was disappointed, because if I paid for it, it should just work. Or you should have set up that need extra accessories, and it didn't. But it might have just been my experience, because other people love it. So I did pick it up because I know sometimes people don't have a Tuesday morning, or they can't afford it, or whatever, or maybe they want to try it out and it don't cost you anything. There's some perks to it too, though. So, you know, but anyway, so I will have not this one, but my other one. I have a second one. I just took this out to show you that as part of my challenge when I have the challenge. So anyway, any comments below? Let me know, should I when would be a good time to have it? My birthday is the end of November. So, I mean, I don't know how people, like, with shopping and busyness, like, would they have time to do something if I ran it for a month, which would mean it would end, like, New Year's Eve, you know, or I would probably go past New Year's Eve. I mean, yeah, because I don't know. I'll probably do, like, 6 weeks. But if not, it would end the end of December. Or if I started now and ended in the middle of December, I don't know. So I'm just trying to figure out what I should do. If you have any thoughts on that, let me know. I'm just trying to work out the time frame. But I was thinking about maybe start, excuse me, around Thanksgiving, maybe, and then go to January, middle of January, then the holidays be over with, or people home. I don't know, people with their family, I don't know. Just let me know. Anyway, so the tonic dies. I'm rambling, I'm sorry. I ain't had a voice, so it's been good to talk. So they had a ton of tonic dyes. For pretty much, I went to 3 stores. They were all $4.99. I didn't see any price any different. Although I seen other people's videos and they had some $3.99 and $9.99. But all of ours that I saw were all $4.99. I didn't see any that was priced any differently. Even though some should have been a little cheaper. But yeah. So before I jump into that, let me show you what else I got. I did pick up this. But I think this is a return because I have this in the steel roll die, which is a little different, bigger size, I think. And this, I gotta check the size on it. But anyway, and I may already have this, but anyway, just in case you're looking for it, it's $9.99. This is a cable box, 205-3208, the Momenta. And they usually typically have out also a small box or the gift card or a little paper bag one. So this is the Vicky Bouton stencils, a 3-pack, 203-7086 for $1.99. And I'm trying to see if it has a name on it. No, but these are the 3 that you get in that pack. Great for mixed media. And I don't believe I have this Bo Bunny circular stamp set. I have to check. But this is great for backgrounds. Oh my gosh, you can do so much mixed media stuff, or just add in depth to a card, you know, so it doesn't be deep mixed media, but if you want any kind of depth, you can do a lot with these circles and just repeat the pattern or make your own background. 205-0968 for $2.99. I thought these were cute. These are dimensional adhesive butterflies. And it's $1.99. It's 13 butterflies. It's 2055921. And again, you can add these to so many types of projects. So there were a ton of these that I didn't know which ones to get. And I think I still feel like, I don't know if this is all of them. Because I'm telling you, and maybe a bag in my car. No, that's my computer. Excuse me. I can't remember and I'm taping on my phone. I need to look and see if this is all the ones I got. But I made 2. Everything here looks like it's from my second store. So I think I have a bag. Hold on, let me come back.